Hi everyone. In this anatomy model, we will talk about organelles of the cell. Starting with identification of the nucleus. This whole area is the nucleus. This layer that covers the nucleus is called a nuclear envelope. These dots that you're seeing on the layer is called the nuclear pore. And inside the nucleus, you have these white balls looking thing. Those are the nucleolus. And these reddish, brownish color threads are the DNA, representing the DNA. Moving outward from the nucleus, you have these two pill-looking things. They're close to the nucleus when it's time for the cell to divide. We need these guys to do its work. It's called centrosome or centrioles. Then you have these sausage-looking things. I always say they look like little sausages. These are the mitochondria as the powerhouse of the cell to produce ATP. This group of red dots right here, or this group of red dots right there, is the same thing. They're the ribosomes, or free-floating ones that are in the cytoplasm for protein synthesis. And you have then the purple right there. The purple sphere is called the lysosome. Lysosome for digesting old organelles or big pathogens. Then you have this area where you have this blue-ish looking layer with red dots on it. That's representing rough ER, which is the ribosomes on top of the endoplasmic reticulum. That's why this would be the rough ER for protein synthesis as well. Now, wherever you see these layers with no red dots, then that is the smooth ER. And what else do we have? This red one right here is then the Golgi apparatus, which is for packaging and modifying the proteins when they're made. Smooth ER is for making lipids and steroids and detoxification purposes for the cell. And for the yellow ones right here, these are the peroxisomes, which are for digesting toxins. And that is all for the cell. Oh, don't forget the background here. All this yellow background is representing the cytoplasm or the cytosol, which is basically all the space that's within the cell. And what's bordering the cell on the outside is then the plasma membrane. And that's all for this model.